Like clockwork, 8 a.m. every morning. Hello.
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. We're Scarlet and Seth, and we live and travel in this van with these cats. Last we left you, we arrived to this beautiful little national forest where we are now. And this video is all about the ladies. So let's do a little introduction. This right here is Sasha, AKA Baby Sash, or Baby Cat. She's about 2 years old, and she wants to go outside right now. She does have orange cat energy, and that's from her little orange cat face right there. I'm gonna take you out in a minute. Let me introduce your sister. This is Lula, also known as Chunkles, Chunkwellen, Chunkwallace, Chunkle Bean, Chunkle Butt, Chunkalage. Anything to do with chunk and the name chunk in it is usually associated with this little bean. She has been our cat for 6.5 years now, so she's probably about 7 or 8. And this little lady is the original queen bean and the sweetest little chunk you ever did meet. She's a little bit more timid than Sasha and a little bit more shy. Sasha has really brought out this more outdoorsy and adventurous side of her, which is just so cute to witness. All right, first order of business is to get these ladies dressed. These little cat jackets are from Minwood Cat Jackets on Etsy. Can't be Nikki. Okay, here we go. Tell me that isn't the cutest thing you've ever seen. For context, Lula lived in a van with us for about 4 years before we got Sasha. A lot of what the ladies like to do when they first come out is just poke around out here and check everything out. Let's go on a walkie. Come on, the road. Sasha is our little explorer, and Lula usually kind of hangs out right around the van. We usually keep him on leash just because cats can kill birds and kill other small rodents. And as a matter of fact, I think cats kill like billions of birds a year, which is absolutely insane when you think about it. We usually give the ladies about 20 to 30 minutes outside before it's time for breakfast. Hey ladies. Okay, floor please. No. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Sasha's using her slow feeder here because she eats fast enough that she throws up. We've also recently been contemplating switching the ladies over to a raw diet, but really have no idea where to start. So if you have any suggestions, drop those down in the comments below. Nope, please don't push it outside. Come on. You on the cleanup crew, little chomp? One thing you gotta know about this little lady, she will put in work to find a single kibble. Both ladies have been fed. Sasha's actually back outside already. It's time to make some coffee so we can keep up with these ladies today. This is kind of a typical routine. Scarlet will take the cats out for a little walk while I make some coffee. Oh God!
Oh no! Quick!
Where are the towels?
No, not that one!
Where are the towels?
Oh.
Oh, dude, there's so much.
Oh, you broke the glass too.
I was trying to like shake it out and it just
Maybe
slid out of my hand.
it was going so well.
Just me making a mess once again. I'm literally editing a video where I did the same thing with that oil last week. It's so freaking bad, dude. Ladies, I'm gonna take my plate. I think it got a little too windy. A little too windy for the ladies outside. So we've got like a super ideal ladies' day setup here. This is what they love. We left the bed out this morning. We have a convertible bed in our van.
Yeah, it's pretty rare that we leave the bed out. We only do it, I would say, like once or twice a month. So the ladies always take full advantage when we do it.
Lula is up here chilling in the cab. I think it's because it stays quite a bit warmer. It is a little chilly where we're at right now. It's about 65 degrees out here. So I think they enjoy to come up here, bake their little buns in the cab.
It is now 1 p.m. and Sasha, this is like clockwork for her. She'll nap for an hour or two and then remember that the outside world exists and start to kind of make her way there. But she's funny because she wants like ideal weather conditions. She wants it to be like sunny, but with patches of shade, not too windy, no rain. Rain is like off limits. So she's funny because she'll go out and be like, nah, this isn't to my standards.
How could you deny this little lady any outside time? Go ahead. No? What's wrong?
The ladies are both taking some pretty intense baths over here. Getting all nice and clean. A lot of lip smacking going on right now.
I know.
You ladies smacking your lips?
Hi. You wanna cook with me?
What are you making?
Pasta, if that's okay with you.
Same pasta?
No.
Oh.
I'm gonna make my lemon
Ooh.
basil there.
Hey, baby, she's eating it.
Well, she's already taken
Hey,
those
I
two.
don't want that. No.
No. No.
It's literally snowing outside. This is wild. These are like super big flakes too. Oh, it's so pretty. I kind of want to get out and show you guys. Wanna go outside? It's snowing. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Excuse you. Lula loves to come out naked. Sasha's panicking because she's getting raindrops on her. And she doesn't like to be out in the rain. She doesn't... Hey, you can't run away from it. It doesn't work like that. Yep, that's what I thought. Gosh, it's cold out here. It is literally snowing in May. This is so weird. The ladies don't know what to do with this weather. What are you doing? Come on. Let's go. What do you think of the snow? What do you think of it? Got a little loaf. Oh!
We got a little dinner for us going on here. Some pasta, a little bit of basil lemon sauce, and some vegan sausages, some mozzarella, spinach, onions. What do you think? No, not for you? Yeah. That is Sasha letting us know it's dinner time. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you. Everyone's eating, everyone's happy.
Look how you can see behind me, it's starting to cover the ground. This is so cool.
Go outside, it's snowing. It's snowing. Where are you going? Hey. She's shaking. She's so excited. Are you so excited or are you cold? Poor baby.
She likes it.
You do, you love it.
Oh.
Oh, God.
Oh, the floors are wrecked.
Oh.
Oh, it's so cold out there. It's definitely snowing more than I anticipated that it would when it started today. Got some muddy floors tonight.
I think the ladies are happy to have a cozy little home. Come back to. Oh my gosh.
Wow. The sun just came out and it is so pretty out right now.
Ladies, please. Got the body wipes on deck. Not even like the baby wipes. It's the body wipes. They're like giant sized wipes.
What?
I don't know how I would have gotten this floor clean without them.
The ladies are winding down, headed to bed. And that is going to be the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. It was a little different from other videos on our channel maybe, but we really wanted to make a video about the ladies and everything they do on a daily basis in the van.
So if you enjoyed this video, please let us know because we would love to do more of these in the future. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Can the ladies say bye? Ready? Ladies,
Bye. Bye.